Kia ora, my name is Peter Woolley. I currently contract to Tuatahi First Fibre based in the mighty Waikato at Aotearoa, New Zealand. This has been a fantastic course here over the last 2 days in Sydney, Australia. I've learned a lot, particularly the submarine model and organisational design and how we can have feedback loops in there, and I'm really excited about to take it back to New Zealand and work with it. And I'd recommend it for those in senior management roles and people leaders, not necessarily in technology. You could come and learn it if you're outside of technology. And if you may be a little hung up on the Agile word, just think of it as being adaptive instead. Thank you.